I want to kind of... Hello, my friends. How are you this week? You seem ill. Are you sick? Have you caught a cold? My friends, typically, this is when our spirits become unbalanced. Our physical takes over for the spiritual. We need to bring everything back into balance by practicing and by studying all that we know from ancestries, from history, from antiquity.